Hey guys, it's Sammy and welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is super exciting. My big and I and her friend Jacqueline are all heading to Spain for Thanksgiving break. So really excited. I don't know if I've mentioned this on my channel before, but we planned this trip back in spring quarter last year. So it's been a while. We're actually going to visit our friends who are studying abroad. I am so excited to go see Ashley and all the other girls in Spain right now. But yeah, it should be really fun. I'm actually planning on studying abroad next fall in either Spain or Italy is what I'm thinking. So it'll be a really great opportunity to check out their program, see if I like it, and all of that. And honestly, our tickets for this trip were so inexpensive. That's why we kind of just were like, let's send it and go. I think it was like $300 round trip, which is crazy. So I had to say yes to this. This week has been a little bit hectic just because it's week 9 and I come back straight to Dead Week. And during Dead Week here at Cal Poly, we don't have the week off. We actually just do actually most of our finals. So I just want to tell you guys all the plan right now. So my big Warner is about to pick me up from my apartment. I just got out of class like 20 minutes ago. And everything is packed. She's just gonna pick me up. We're gonna drive straight to Orange County and spend the night at our friend Jacqueline's house who we're traveling with. Then in the morning, her parents are gonna drive us to LAX by like 6 a.m. We hop on a flight at 8 a.m. and go straight to Canada. So we go to Canada, have a layover for like 3 or 4 hours, I think. And then we go straight to Barcelona. Like we obviously had a layover, but it will actually be kind of nice. I don't really know exactly what we'll do, or I might just study or edit a video. I'm not really that worried about that. I don't get like annoyed sitting on flights for a while, just because I'm pretty good at like sleeping on the plane. I'm gonna quickly go make a little peanut butter rice cake and then gonna head out. We're getting in and out in like an hour in Santa Barbara. So not trying to eat a whole meal now, just so I can actually save room for the really good American food that I'm going to miss this week. But yeah, I'll kind of just like vlog everything this trip, this week. I don't know how many vlogs it will be, how much I'll be vlogging or whatever, but really excited to show you guys Spain. I'm going to Barcelona and Sevilla, so should be really fun. So we have arrived in Canada.
We're here, we're legal, we're ready to go to Barcelona.
I slept for like all of our flight and hopefully doing that on the second flight also.
Sammy wore a sleeping mask the entire time.
Yeah, I have, let me find it, hold on. But yes, to explain my extraness, I wear this little mask on the plane. I also wear it to bed and it really helps. Alright, another little update. We woke up at like 4 in the morning to drive to LAX, so it's been a long day. It's dark here when we landed, so, but we are going to be there in like, we're gonna be boarding in like 2 hours, I think it is, and then 7.5 hour flight from Montreal, so hopefully I can get some good sleep because we'll be arriving at like 10 a.m. so we lose our whole night, so hopefully I can actually sleep. Also about to do some homework. I'm eating some fruit snacks. Alright, I'm just gonna be straight up. I just ordered an $8 milkshake and waited 20 minutes for it. Milk with blended ice. I'm just drinking a cup of milk for $8. Alright, time to make some TikToks at the airport. For all those that didn't know, that's my big. Practice our TikTok. I hope you can, because I have no glasses. This is hard. Hello vlog. So we're just waiting to board our plane. Sammy and I just made lots of TikToks. We just got to Barcelona. Woo! Alright, hi guys. Warner is doing her makeup. We just got to Barcelona. We're showered. I'm not really 100% sure actually where we are, but look at this. That is so cool. Alright, I have realized that I've not updated you at all today. So, gonna give a quick little update. So basically, we went today to this like park. Amy, our mom, took us everywhere. I just met Amy today. Yeah. We're so close. We just went to this really good restaurant. It was like, orange and brown. on my face. And yeah, it was good. And so now we're going to get ready, maybe take a little nap, and then go out tonight. These jeans from Madewell, and then these rain boots from Madewell because it's raining. And then this top is from Shein. My big looking hot. These are both from PacSun, from the Kendall and Kylie collection. Really representing. Cute. All right, Ashley.
These are all from Europe. This is from Bershka, and this is Poland Bear.
Cute. So we're actually staying at Ashley's apartment.
Yes, I live here. Welcome to Barcelona.
Looks good. Good morning. So today is our second day in Spain, and we just got really good.
Well, first we like slept until 11 and then didn't leave the house until 12. So then we finally got food after barely eating yesterday. So Sammy's full now.
Yeah, I had 2 pieces of bread yesterday.
And a little bit of frosted flakes.
Yeah, but our time change was just really weird because we traveled for like over 24 hours.
Yeah, because like dinner time was like almost 4 a.m. for us or something like that. So then like no one was really that hungry. I was, but I'm always hungry. And then we went to brunch and it was so good. It was like the cutest little restaurant. Sammy showed you some of the food.
Yeah, it was really good. I should have vlogged a little bit more. I'll try to get better at that.
Fun though, because we were just all sitting there like there was just tea. Sammy was telling us all about her life.
And now we are going shopping a little bit.
Oh, but I have the AW shoes.
So our other plan for today is to go to Parkwell. We're going to that at like 4 p.m. or so. So I think, what time is it now? Like 1?
I have no idea.
I don't know. My phone is like still in airplane mode. Okay, so just got to the store called Coconut. Gonna try on this top and then these skirts. I got a long one and then a short one to try on. So hopefully one of these works. Is so cute. Alright, so now we're at the Boqueria and look at this. This is crazy. What did you just get?
I love this place.
Maybe you can talk. I don't like talking on camera.
We're going to Parkwell. We're supposed to be there at 4. It's 3:43. We'll make it. We're on the metro. Sammy's never been on something like this.
Alright, we just got to Parkwell. We're just kind of walking in. And right ahead, right there, is La Sagrada Familia.
I was right. Yeah. I can do it if you want.
It is 6 a.m. and we got home about an hour ago. We came home at 5 a.m. We took showers and I FaceTimed Grant and we are getting up. Yeah, tonight was incredibly fun. I forgot to show you guys my outfit, so it was actually one of my favorites. Hopefully I'll put in some sort of picture, but really fun. We went to this like nightclub thing called Opium, which was really cool. So very excited for today's trip to Sevilla. Again, very tired, but should be super fun. Probably one of the worst I've ever looked, but I'm hanging in there. So let me give a little explanation. So your promoter friend did what?
So basically, all the girls, like promoter friends, gets us in without the cover charge, which is 15 euros. And then we get our own VIP table, bottle service, and then the night just goes crazy.
We somehow made it after a very long morning and running around Sevilla trying to find where we're supposed to go because all of our phones are dead or don't have service. We finally ended up like changing at a Burger King, and then we're at this Italian restaurant right now trying to actually get food. So we haven't eaten in like way too long. Oh god, I don't even think about it, but I'm very excited about this. I am the easiest person to please. Now we are looking for our Airbnb to check in. Wow. We just got to our Airbnb. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's stunning here. Wow. I'm just like, can't even believe how pretty it is here. We just stopped at Starbucks because I'm dying of exhaustion right now, so I got a strawberry latte refresher with some caffeine in it to wake up. We're gonna head to dinner in like an hour, so I need to wake up. It's still like not late yet, so gotta do that. We just took a nap, feeling a lot better. Alrighty, so we just got
best tacos of my life.
some food.
Oh yeah, really good, really good.
And we met up with some of Jacqueline's friends from home, which was really, really cool. And they were kind of telling us about Sevilla and studying abroad here. And then Warner also had a friend here.
Yes.
So we met up with her also.
Everyone just like congregated at one table.
And now we're getting some beautiful gelato. So great. Whoops.
Did I